Welcome to Designer Digital's Bi-Weekly Tip, December 16th, 2016. This week, let it snow with brushes in Photoshop. Katie Petit's cute little dog Dixie loves to dress up for photo shoots, and we love seeing what Katie does with all of those adorable pictures. This year, Dixie was featured in a series of pages surrounded by glitzy snowflakes. Here's how Katie made it snow on Dixie's photos. Begin by downloading the Be Merry brush pack at DesignerDigitals. This pack features beautifully hand-drawn holiday doodles. One of the brushes is an asterisk or a snowflake. Unzip the download, making a note of where you've placed the folder in your system. Load the brushes into the full version of Photoshop by clicking Edit, Presets, Preset Manager. On this screen, choose Brushes from the Preset Type drop-down menu. Click Load and navigate through your system to find the folder where you've placed the unzipped brush pack and click on the ABR brush file that's included with the pack. Then click Load. This puts the Be Merry brushes at the bottom of the manager. Click Done. This returns the screen to the editing window. Open the photo that you want to decorate with snow. Now you don't want to do the brush work on the photo itself, so click the Create a New Layer icon in the bottom of the Layers panel, which looks like a Post-it note with a turned up corner. This places a new transparent layer above your photo. Get the brush tool and choose the snowflake from the brush picker in the options bar. So we'll scroll down and the Be Merry brushes will be at the very end, and we'll choose the little snowflake here. And then click back over onto your document or onto your editing window. Next, click the brush panel icon in the options bar. This looks like a folder with brushes on it. This opens up the brush panel. So choose Brush Tip Shape. It's the very top tab. Here you can increase the size by dragging the slider. I'm going to increase quite a bit. And you can increase the spacing by dragging the slider up too. And you can see down at the bottom it kind of gives you an idea of how far apart the snowflakes will be. Then choose Shape Dynamics. It's the next tab down. Increase the size jitter. It's the top bar. And doing this will give you various sizes of snowflakes as you do your brush work. Finally, choose Scattering and increase the scatter. Experiment with each of the settings to get the effect you want. There's no real right or wrong way to do this. It's just up to your personal preference. Click the double arrow at the top of the brush panel to close the brush panel and get it out of your way. Now click the foreground color chip at the bottom of the tool bin to choose a color. You can pick any of these colors or color families and click OK. I'm just going to stick with black so that it's easy to see. But this is how you choose the brush color, by using the foreground color. Make sure that your new transparent layer is selected and then just click and drag to create snow on the page. Now because you did your brush work on a separate layer, you can add a layer mask to hide some of the snow that you don't want. So click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, and then click on the mask that appears on the snow layer. Change your foreground color to black if it's not already, and then use a hard round brush. So I'll choose a hard round brush here. I'll increase the size by using the right bracket key. Now I can delete any of the snow that fell on top of Dixie's cute little face. I like using this method because it's non-destructive. If I accidentally erase a snowflake that I wanted to keep, all I'd have to do is change the foreground color to white and then paint back in. To make the snow gold, all you need to do is clip the snow layer to the gold solid paper from the Glad Tidings paper pack. I'm just going to drag the gold paper on top and then press Alt-Control-G, or on a Mac system that would be Option-Command-G. This gives the snowflake instant glitz. By adjusting the brush dynamics, you can get interesting scattered snow images for your holiday page. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for the next Designer Digitals tip.